Oi oi! Watch out, blokes and blokettes. Hope you're having a great Saturday, cracking weekend and all that jazz. I thought I'd put out a little bit of a different one today. Some of you may be interested in what goes into taking a photograph for an Instagram post or a set of photographs. Some of you, I already know, have your own social media platform that you're very dedicated to. This is still fairly new to me. I started back in March and I was quite surprised at the amount of effort and time it takes to run a regular, sort of legitimate social media platform. What that does for me is it allows me and it creates a commitment for me that I have to answer to and that I have to respond to and that I have to put effort into, and I need that to keep me out of here. So I'm going to start these girls up, stick them out on the drive. It is absolutely peeing it down with rain today. It's a proper English weather day, and a few tinges of homesickness. No, I'm joking. Going to start these girls up, put them outside. You're going to come along with me. I'm going to film everything and I'm going to show you what I do to get some photos for Instagram. Enjoy. Let's see if she starts. Because the door's not on, the interior light is always on, thinking that the door is open. So I'm going to have to pull a fuse later today to stop it draining the battery. Here goes. A bit of a side shot Saturday, isn't it? So you can see what I'm trying to do. I just want the three girls together and just brightening up the neighbourhood a bit for the neighbours. Got to make sure you get the wheel angles right. And there's my three little girls, or three little piggies. So I'm going to take a few shots now. I take them all with my phone. That's only because I haven't figured out how to take normal photographs with the camera. It's chilly out, pretty chilly. Alright, that's going to do. I'm going to drag them back in because I'm getting flipping cold and there's a hot cup of tea beckoning me. Thanks for following along, hope you enjoyed it. So I'm pulling Colleen back out once I've parked Abby properly so that I can put Fiona in the middle of the garage and work on it, because I'm taking making a list today of all the bits and pieces that I need. So I want to get full access to her all around. So you'll see me zooming the cars backwards and forwards for a bit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. See you all soon. Toodle pip.